Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back. Thank you so much for tuning in and welcome back. Happy New Year, happy 2020, happy new decade. And it's good to see all of you here, and I just want to make this video to just thank you guys for supporting me throughout 2019. We managed to cross 1,000 subscribers. It's been a long journey since 2017, and also managed to pass 4,000 hours. We actually got to like 7,000 hours, which the requirement was like 4,000, which is great. So thank you so much guys. So I want to give you guys the highlights of actually what happened. So this is going to be in the form of videos that some of them have uploaded them on my channel, some of them were just the video that I was doing on the side, and there's yeah, then from there we're going to go back to our normal schedule. I think Monday I should be able to upload my video, and you'll see some of the things that I did in the past which I didn't upload, but I'll try to incorporate them in between the videos so that you guys can see what I've been up to.
I am. In Madrid, yes?
It's proper. It's cool. Let's put it to the road. Which I check out. I'm gonna sell a copy.
Bye.
Is the song still playing there? Come closer with the Bluetooth. Your phone is also water resistant. Put it closer then next to the. What's it playing? No, it's
Yo, look what I found here. Look at this bad boy. Oh my word. Jesus. Yeah. It's not. Look at the rolls.
Place, and it's the sort of stuff that like the video nerd in me has been itching to share with you guys, but that I haven't had a good reason to make one video all about any one of these items. Now let me just address the question right off the bat. Is this overkill? Yeah.
So you see, this is a Samsung box S10, né? But then when you open inside,
This is what I found. iPhone XS. I see you, Samsung users. I see what you guys doing. Sharp. And my phone, I need to grip it so tight here. Yeah, so that's new updates. Wallets, the Pro has vertical lens.
You can see some of the babes.
Alexa, dim the first light.
Okay.
Alexa, dim the first light.
Okay.
Alexa, read for me Matthew 4 verse 4 from the U Version Bible.
But he answered, "It is written, man shall not live by bread alone, but by every word that comes from the mouth of God."
So basically what happened is I went through actually went to a work vacation or work trip, and then when I came back I had like a huge project which took out all the way from October until the beginning of December, and which means I lost like 2 months of my personal time. So but anyway, that was that. So we have a new year now, we have so much things to be expecting, and yeah, so now we're in 2020. We have more reason to be excited, a lot of tech to explore, a lot of things to happen in this channel. So thank you so much guys, and I will see you